From the beginning of the year, like the academic year, from the start, I put in my hard work and I give my best, and there are struggles, distractions, but then I put that aside. And even though I get sick sometimes, I get distracted, but then if I get the little time that I get, then I put it on studies and I give my best. So actually I don't know about how many hours I put in, but then whenever I get time, I just study, because I actually am a person who doesn't have such kind of like hobby or something. So whenever I get the time, and plus I'm alone, I never have siblings and all, so whenever I get time, I just study, and that's it. I'll go for honors in political and IAS. I'll go for UPSC exams later in the future, but I'll give my best first in my degrees and masters, and I'll prepare alongside. They just have to be consistent, put in the hard work, like from the beginning of the year. You have to put a dream, a goal, what you want to achieve, because without planning and without a goal, you won't like to do anything. So once you put in the hard work from the beginning of the year, then you'll eventually work hard and you'll achieve the fruit of success. The school play a huge role in my life, because without them, I won't get such education. And plus, the teachers, I thank my teachers because they help me a lot. And also the school, thanks to school, because they always conduct tests, conduct exams all the time, always tell us, go study, and principal Brother Benjamin. So it's a huge vital role in my studies, because without them I won't have that courage to be like, okay, I have to study. So they motivate me a lot, they inspire me, and